on public safety. Of the more than 700,000 illegals that are here, an estimated 58,000 are either convicted felons or facing serious criminal charges, some from their home country, some while they're here. And thanks to a law called the Green Light Law. They always put these nice names on the laws. But the Green Light Law was the policy that gave driver's licenses to illegal immigrants. But a provision that's not as well known that I want to bring attention to here today, within that law that New York State passed, is a prohibition on our local law enforcement from sharing the New York State DMV database with federal law enforcement officials. This law is incredibly dangerous, and it's downright idiotic. Governor Hochul is putting New York citizens and law enforcement officers across the state at risk with this S9 policy. And it can be rescinded, and she should make it an absolute priority to get rid of this. Everywhere I go, I talk to local law enforcement about how detrimental this law is to them. And it was, I spent a day last summer with the Office of our Border Patrol agents, and it was their #1 priority to see change there. And with Buffalo Ice, it was none different, because they're taking their lives into their hand with every single car they pull over. They can't run the plate. They don't know who's behind the wheel. And they don't know if they're dealing with a known murderer or who is driving that car. And we've had far too many funerals for law enforcement in the last few years, and we can't afford any more. The time for action is now, and Albany needs to get to work. Governor Hochul can lead on this issue. She can rescind it. It's the right thing to do, and she should